Your thesis isn't just a long paper, it's the culmination of years of learning, questioning, and growing. It's the story of your academic journey, told in your own words, shaped by your unique experiences and insights. Every step you've taken, from your first day on campus to the late nights spent researching, has led you here. Your thesis is a reflection of your dedication, your curiosity, and your determination to see things through. It's a deep dive into a topic that captured your curiosity, something that made you want to ask questions, seek answers, and explore new ideas. You've sifted through countless articles, books, and studies, searching for the pieces that would help you build your own understanding. You've spent months, maybe even years, becoming an expert in your chosen subject. You've faced challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt, but you kept going, fueled by your passion for discovery. This document is the result of your hard work and unique perspective. It's not just a summary of what others have said, it's your voice, your ideas, and your contribution to the ongoing conversation in your field. It's more than a requirement, it's your contribution to your field. You're adding something new, something that only you could create based on your journey and your insights. Your thesis is proof you can research, argue, and discover independently. It shows you can think critically, analyze information, and communicate your findings clearly. Think of it as your intellectual adventure captured on paper. It's a record of the questions you asked, the paths you explored, and the answers you found along the way. Imagine a scientist sharing new discoveries with the world, or a historian revealing hidden stories from the past. Your thesis does the same. It brings something new to light and invites others to see the world through your eyes. Whether you're uncovering facts, challenging old ideas, or proposing new solutions, your work matters. You're part of a tradition of thinkers and creators who push knowledge forward. Your thesis is your chance to share what you've learned and to inspire others to keep asking questions. You're adding a piece to the puzzle of human knowledge. Every thesis, every project, every new idea helps us see the bigger picture. As you look at your completed thesis, feel proud. You've created something meaningful, something that will last beyond your time as a student. It's a symbol of your growth as a student and a thinker. You've tackled tough concepts, developed new skills, and created something entirely your own. This foundation will serve you in whatever comes next. Whether you continue in academia, start a new career, or pursue a different path entirely. Your thesis is your story, written by you. It's a testament to your perseverance, your creativity, and your ability to turn ideas into reality. Now it's time to share that story with others. Let your voice be heard, and let your work inspire those who come after you. Stand tall. You've earned this moment. Celebrate your achievements, and remember the journey that brought you here. Your journey is unique, and your thesis is the proof. It's a chapter in the larger story of your life and a milestone you'll always remember. Let's get ready to tell your story, because the world is waiting to hear what you have to say. Your moment to shine has arrived. After months or even years of hard work, research, and dedication, you're finally at the threshold of sharing your discoveries with the world. A thesis defense isn't a battle, it's a conversation. It's a chance to engage with experts who are genuinely interested in your work and want to help you grow as a scholar. You'll present your research to a committee of experts who will listen carefully and ask thoughtful questions to better understand your process and findings. Explain what you did, what you found, and why it matters. Walk them through your journey, your methods, your results, and the impact your work could have. This is your chance to showcase your passion and expertise. Let your enthusiasm for your subject shine through as you share your insights and discoveries. The defense is the final step in your thesis journey. It's the culmination of all your effort, representing the transition from student to expert in your field. It's about demonstrating your understanding, not just submitting a paper. The committee wants to see how you think, how you solve problems, and how you respond to new ideas. The written thesis shows your work. The defense shows you can communicate it. It's your opportunity to prove you can discuss your research with clarity and confidence. Think of it as your author talk, bringing your research to life. You're not just presenting facts, you're telling the story of your academic journey. Share your aha moments and the challenges you overcame. Let the committee see the real process behind your discoveries, including the setbacks and breakthroughs. The committee wants to see your spark and engagement. They're looking for your ability to think critically, adapt, and communicate your ideas effectively. Passing your defense means you've met the highest standards. It's a recognition of your hard work, your knowledge, and your growth as a scholar. It's a huge accomplishment, a celebration of your achievement. You've reached a milestone that few attain, and you should be proud. Instead of seeing it as a test, see it as your victory lap. This is your opportunity to reflect on your journey and share your success with others. This is your time to shine, own it, and let your hard work speak for itself. Knowing what to expect makes Defense Day less intimidating. The event is usually in a classroom with your committee, 3 to 5 professors including your advisor. You'll start with a 20-30-minute presentation summarizing your research. Guide the committee through your journey, your question, methods, findings, and significance. Use clear slides and visuals to tell your story. After your talk, the committee will ask questions to test your understanding and spark discussion. These aren't trick questions, they're about exploring your work. Your advisor helps keep things on track. After Quanda, you'll step out while the committee deliberates. The wait feels long, but it's usually just 10-15 minutes. Most students who reach this stage pass, sometimes with minor revisions. Be prepared and trust your preparation. A strong presentation is key to a successful defense. Focus on the essentials: your research question, methods, main findings, and conclusion. Think of your presentation as a movie trailer, exciting and clear. Structure it logically: intro, problem, brief literature, methods, results, and significance. Use simple language and explain any jargon. Each slide should highlight one main idea. Use bullet points, not paragraphs. Visuals like graphs, charts, and images make complex ideas clear and engaging. Make sure every visual is high quality and relevant. Get feedback from your advisor and peers to refine your slides. Ask if your story is clear and engaging. Revise until your presentation is polished and professional. You want your audience to follow and remember your story. Practice is your secret weapon. Don't read your slides for the first time on Defense Day. Rehearse your talk out loud, timing yourself to stay within the limit. Focus on speaking clearly and at a steady pace. Use confident body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and gesture naturally. Record yourself to spot areas for improvement. Do a dress rehearsal with friends or classmates acting as your committee. Practice answering tough questions. They'll help you think on your feet. Get honest feedback on your delivery and answers. Adjust your talk based on what you learn. The more you practice, the more natural and confident you'll feel. A couple of full run-throughs make a huge difference. Walk into your defense knowing you're ready. Confidence comes from preparation. Feeling nervous is normal. It means you care. Preparation is your best defense against anxiety. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel. In the days before your defense, prioritize sleep, healthy meals, and relaxation. Take breaks. Rest keeps your mind sharp. On Defense Day, wake up early and eat a good breakfast. Try light stretching or a few minutes of meditation. Deep breathing calms your nerves. Inhale, hold, exhale slowly. Keep breathing deeply during your presentation, especially if you feel overwhelmed. Have a glass of water nearby. A sip gives you a moment to pause and think. Smile. It can actually help you feel more relaxed. Remember, you're the expert on your topic. Trust your preparation and take a deep breath. You've worked hard to get here. Stay calm, stay focused, and show what you know. You're ready for this. Go in with confidence. The Quanda is your chance to shine as an expert. This is the moment when your hard work and deep understanding come to the forefront. Think of it as an opportunity to demonstrate not just what you know, but how you think and respond under pressure. Listen carefully to each question. Don't interrupt. Give the committee your full attention, making eye contact and showing that you value their input. Sometimes a thoughtful pause before answering can show your respect for the question and your commitment to providing a meaningful response. If a question isn't clear, ask for clarification. It's perfectly acceptable to say, "Could you please rephrase that?" or "I want to make sure I understand your question correctly." This not only buys you a moment to think, but also ensures you're addressing the right point. Start with a direct answer, then elaborate with evidence or examples. Support your statements with data, references, or personal insights from your research. This approach demonstrates both clarity and depth. Structure your response. Phrases like, "There are 2 main reasons," or "Let me break this down into 3 parts." Help your logic shine and make your answer easy to follow. If you don't know the answer, admit it honestly and offer your best reasoning. It's better to acknowledge uncertainty than to bluff. You might say, I haven't encountered that in my research, but based on what I know, I would hypothesize. This shows integrity and critical thinking. Challenging questions aren't attacks, they're opportunities to show depth. Embrace them as a chance to demonstrate your analytical skills and your ability to engage with complex ideas. Thank the committee for insightful points and explain your reasoning calmly. A simple, "Thank you for that question" can set a positive tone and show your appreciation for their engagement. Acknowledge valid critiques, but defend your choices with confidence. If you disagree, do so respectfully, backing up your stance with evidence or logical argument. Stay positive and curious. This is a scholarly discussion, not a battle. Approach every question with an open mind and a willingness to learn. Engage with enthusiasm. Your committee wants to see your passion. Let your excitement for your work shine through, as genuine interest is contagious and memorable. If a question sparks a new idea, say so. It shows you're open-minded. Expressing curiosity about new perspectives demonstrates intellectual maturity and adaptability. That's a fascinating direction for future research, leaves a great impression. It shows you're thinking beyond your current work and are invested in the field's growth. Remember, your committee are future colleagues, not adversaries. Building rapport now can open doors for collaboration and mentorship later. Show maturity, humility, and a willingness to learn. Accept feedback graciously, and let your professionalism speak for itself. This collaborative spirit will be remembered. The relationships you build here can shape your academic journey for years to come. Handle every question with grace. Your composure and thoughtful responses will leave a lasting impression. You're not just defending, you're joining the conversation. This is your entry into the world of scholars, so embrace it with confidence and curiosity. When the quanda ends, thank your committee. A simple, sincere thank you shows professionalism and respect. Acknowledge your advisor's mentorship and the committee's guidance. Gratitude highlights the collaborative nature of your achievement. Thank you for your time and feedback. I've learned a lot today, leaves a strong final impression. After deliberation, celebrate your success. Passing your defense is a monumental achievement. Listen to any final instructions about revisions, but most importantly, savor the moment you did it. Celebrate with friends and family who supported you. Take time to rest and enjoy your accomplishment. You've earned every bit of it. The thesis defense isn't just an ending, it's a powerful beginning. You've proven your skills, knowledge, and resilience. You're now a creator of knowledge, not just a consumer. The skills you've gained, critical thinking, problem-solving, communication, will serve you everywhere. You've learned to tackle big projects and handle feedback. This is a rite of passage, marking your transformation into a scholar. Embrace the challenge as an opportunity, not a test. Share your passion and celebrate your hard work. The world is full of questions. Now you're ready to answer them. This is the start of a lifetime of discovery.